Jai Gurudev, dear students, welcome again in my EVS class. Children, before exams we had completed our 6 chapters. Okay, so today we will start our 7th chapter, and our 7th chapter is, name of the chapter is Houses We Live in. Okay, so houses we live in, this is name of our chapter. Children, you know about the houses. Everybody has their own home, or we can say everybody live in their houses. Okay, and we have different type of houses, and if we go in the village area, there you can see different kind of houses, means some pakka houses and some kacha houses, and in the cities you barely find, means very rarely you can see any kacha house. In the cities always we can see all the pakka buildings or all the pakka houses. So what are the different type of houses that we will study in this chapter? And before starting this chapter, or before reading the chapter, first I tell you children that why we need house to live in. Why do we need house? You know that why we live in our house, why we can't live on the ground or here there? Because we feel safe in our house. Okay, we feel safe from any animals, any other kind of thieves also, and we protect ourselves from that bright sunlight, from the rainfall, or during that cold weather. When cold weather is there, we feel so much cold outside, and we close all the doors and windows, and then we feel safe inside our house. So from all the weather conditions also we can protect ourselves in our house, as well as we can protect ourselves from other animals and we can say other bad peoples, like people like thieves or other kind of robbers. Okay, and children, after this we will read the chapter one by one paragraph, and then I'll explain you about the different type of houses, and I'll show you some pictures also in this chapter, so that some of the pictures are given in your book also, but other than book also I show you some means enlarged pictures which I have collected from the net, so that you can understand which kind of houses are these. Okay, so let's read first, then we will explain or we will discuss the various types of houses. Now children, see, chapter number 7 is Houses We Live In. So let's read. We all need a house to live in with our family. A house provides us shelter from sun, cold, rain and wind. It protects us from wild animals and thieves. 2. We feel safe in our houses. Okay, so next is different people live in different types of houses. This is a kacha house. Children, here they have shown this is a kacha house, and I will show you one more real picture also of kacha house. So first let's read. Mostly found in the villages, these houses are made of mud, wood, straw and bamboo. These houses stay cool inside, but they are not strong enough. Children, about the kacha houses, what they told us? They told us about the kacha house that they mostly found in the village areas. Okay, and when we see kacha house, they are made up of what materials? Mud, wood, straw and bamboo. Okay children, so when we go inside any kacha house, we feel so cool inside because they made from wood, straw and these bamboos, and they not become hot. Okay, but these kacha houses are not so strong. They are little bit weak. Sometimes when rain, heavy rain is there, or when some weather conditions are not good, storms are there, that time they can be damaged. Okay, so children, this is about the kacha house. And after this, see, this is a pakka house. They are talking about this building, this house. Just like our house, we are also living in pakka house. So they are mostly found in the cities and towns. These houses are made of bricks, cement, iron and wood. So you see, these materials are very strong materials, and they are used to make the pakka houses, and they are very strong and last for many years. Means these houses are very strong houses, and they can be safe during the heavy rainfall, during the wind storms. Okay, and these are the two kind of houses which are generally we can see in our all around areas, or if you visit village, any village, you can see kacha house also. Okay, so children, I'll show you some real pictures also. You can see and identify easily about kacha and pakka house. Now children, you see, in this chapter we will study about the types of houses, about kacha house, pakka house, tents, caravans, igloos, houseboat and stilt house also. Okay, so let's see our first picture. This is the kacha house. Children, you see, you must have seen in the village areas about this house. You see here, this part is made up of straw or bamboo sticks, and here mud is used in this place. Okay, so this is called kacha house. Okay, it is not so much strong. When that wind storms are there or heavy rainfall is there, that time it can damage easily. So next is, let's see the pakka house. You see, it is just like our houses, how we are living in. Okay, so this house is a pakka house, and this is a strong house as compared to, it is stronger as compared to kacha house, because it is made up of bricks, steel, or we can say cement, and these sand and stones, all these are the strong materials. So that's why it is very strong house. Okay. So children, after this, next our house is tent. You also have seen so many times these kind of tents. They are made up of cloth mainly, and with the help of some bamboo sticks or some these iron rods, they used to make a tent. Okay, and it is a temporary kind of house. We will read about this house, but I just want to show you this picture so that you can understand easily, because these are the natural pictures and original pictures. Okay, in your book original pictures are not made. This is a original picture of a tent. So this is also a temporary kind of house, and when army persons or any other kind of people when go for any camp in the mountain areas or in some forest areas for some period of time, that time they used to live in these tents. Okay, and they can be easily foldable, and that's why we called it as a tent. Okay children, so after this we read about the tent, then we will see another picture. Now children, next type of house is a tents. Okay, here they have made tent in this way. It is not looking like tent, so I have shown you in the picture that is a real tent. And tents are temporary houses made of thick cloth. They can be easily folded and taken anywhere. Army men and people who camp on mountains mainly use them. Children, I told you that tents are temporary houses, means they are not permanent. Anybody can't live permanently in the tents. Okay, temporary when army person or some people, they when they visit to some mountain area or some forest area, that time they live for a short period of time and they live in these kind of tents. Okay children, so after this we will write new words or hard words of this chapter, which difficult words for you, that I'll write on the board and you also write in your EVS copy. Yes dear students, we have studied about 3 types of different houses, and I have shown you original pictures also. I think you now understand properly that how these houses are built. Means different 3 types of houses I have shown you and explained you by reading the chapter. And after this I'll give you some written work also, so that you can learn and you can read these paragraphs which I have explained you. And let's write here. You write new words. And by watching this video, you should write these all the new words. First word is shelter. S-H-E-L-T-E-R. Shelter. Okay. And second is kacha house. Kuchcha. Okay, kacha house. And means house, you can write here kacha house. And after this you write third new word is straw. 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 Straw means a grass, dry grass. Tall grasses are there which are dried, and then people used to make kacha house from these straw. That is called straw. So that this is a dry grass. And fourth word is pakka house. PUCCAHOUSE. Pakka house. So children, these are the 4 words. And every word you should write 2 times in your copy. 2 times. How to write? Draw a line at the center. Okay. In this way you draw a line at the center of your copy, and here you write 1 time, and second time you write this side. Understood? So children, this is 4th is a pakka house, and 5th word is bricks. 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 Okay. And 6th word is cement. 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 And 7th word is temporary. 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 Okay. So children, today you write only these 7 words, and after writing these 7 words, as we proceed with our chapter, means as I explain you next part of our chapter, different type of other houses, that time I give you other words also. Okay. So now you complete your 7 words in your copy and EVS notebook, and write 2 times, write twice. Understood? So after writing this, you read again and again and try to pronounce how I told you, like same way you pronounce them and learn their spellings also. Okay children? So next time beta, we will come with the next chapter, means the next part of this chapter, with some other beautiful pictures I'll show you, and I'll explain you the different other type of houses also. So many types of different kind are there. These are very common, which I told you, these 3, but some of the types you don't know about them. Okay, that also we will study. So Jai Gurudev.